Hi guys, this is our sea moss today. We've been searching the globe looking for the best, most authentic sources of sea moss. And guess what? We found it. We're now getting our moss directly from the pristine, clear waters of St. Lucia. If you know anything about St. Lucia, this is an island that's built on a volcano. And if you know anything about islands built on a volcano, that means that the waters directly surrounding it are super nutrient dense. Our sea moss is clean, it's free of salt, free of sand, and it's completely dried, which means we're not selling you water, salt, or sand. You're getting straight moss, and you're getting more moss for your money. Just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. We're so excited. We're excited. See you.